Have you ever struggled to fix a broken home appliance on your own? Not easy, right? There's an easy way to take care of it. Want to know more? Introducing LG Subscribe, which makes it easy to keep your appliances in top shape with regular expert care. If the appliances are well maintained, they can last longer and work better. With LG Subscribe, our reliable care expert will visit regularly to solve your concerns. We'll even take care of things like replacing filters right on time. Our total care service doesn't just stop at cleaning the outside. We handle the difficult inner cleaning too, especially for the parts that cannot be seen. You're covered by warranty for any repairs needed due to malfunctions during the contract period. That's not the end of it. For products that can be handled on your own, a self-care kit will be sent for easy maintenance. And it's totally free. See? Let the experts take care of your appliances. Stress less. Care is covered. Subscribe to a better life. LG Subscribe.